युद्ध नहीं बुद्ध दिए हैं.
India's balancing act of managing the diplomatic relations with its all-weather ally Russia was acknowledged by the United States. The hugs and warm embrace between PM Narendra Modi and Russian President Vladimir Putin were recognized by the US, which urged India to utilize its strong ties to persuade President Putin to end the ongoing war in Ukraine. The remark by the US comes at a critical juncture as Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky expressed his disappointment over the Putin-Modi meeting, claiming that it is a blow to peace efforts, even though PM Modi has used his diplomatic relationship with Russia to avert the potential escalation of the Ukraine war. In fact, over the dinner table meeting between the two allies, PM Modi clearly conveyed to his Russian counterpart that no solution could be achieved in the battleground, urging both Russia and Ukraine to choose the path of dialogue and diplomacy to put an end to waging war, which has entered its third year. India's particular stance on the Ukraine war was also reiterated during PM Modi's visit to Austria, the first by any Indian PM in 41 years. While addressing the Indian diaspora in Vienna, PM Modi stressed that India has given Buddh to the world, not Yuddh, or war, implicating that the country always stands for peace and prosperity, and therefore the country is going to strengthen its role in the 21st century.
हजारों वर्षों से हम दुनिया के साथ नॉलेज और एक्सपर्टाइज शेयर करते रहे. हमने युद्ध नहीं दिए. हम सीना तान करके दुनिया को कह सकते हैं, हिंदुस्तान ने युद्ध नहीं बुद्ध दिए हैं.
Though Ukraine fails to understand India's stance and its foreign policy through which it has averted an escalation of the war and use of nuclear weapons against Kyiv, the US, on the other hand, fully understands India's significance. The White House spokesperson Karine Jean-Pierre on Wednesday stated that India is a strategic partner of Russia and the country must use its relationship to bring peace to the region and end the Ukraine war. It stated that although it is on President Putin to end the war, India's long-standing ties with Moscow give New Delhi the ability to put pressure on President Putin.
India is a strategic partner with whom we engage in full and frank dialogue, including their relationship with Russia. And we've talked about this before. So we think it's critical that all countries, including India, support efforts to realize an enduring and just peace when it comes to Ukraine. It is important for all our allies to realize this.
India has not yet condemned Russia's invasion of Ukraine in February 2022. However, it has consistently pitched for a resolution of the conflict through dialogue and diplomacy. The visit marks his first visit to Russia since the country launched its war in Ukraine. India has never explicitly condemned Russia and has abstained from United Nations resolutions censoring Moscow. At the same time, it has stood on Ukraine's side as well, assuring the nation of its full support in times of need.